Alrighty guys, so we're here at the junkyard. We found a frame and some other miscellaneous parts that we're going to use. This is the spot. So we come across this first Jeep. It's got some, we actually got the same fenders at the house that we're going to put on the Jeep. Alright, so we also need this grill here. We got some other cool parts here, like these corner guards here. I'm going to just take those off and pretty much sand them down, repaint them, because they're still in good condition, just the Jeep's been burnt. Also, we found this pretty sweet little poison spider cover that goes on the back here, so that's going to be pretty neat there. Got a couple parts Jeeps out here.
This is the frame we're buying off of this. We bought the frame off of this Jeep, we just got to go get it loaded up.
So we got a good deal there because it is off of a Rubicon.
We got 3 right here, 1 right there, 2 over
That's a JK there. I think it's smashed.
TJ over here.
Afterwards?
Yeah,
nice.
afterwards.
With the glass?
We'll
You could buy these.
Yeah, they're cheap. But
They'd match up with our hardtop too, wouldn't they?
yeah, kinda.
It's just we'd have to paint that vinyl there.
Yeah. Not that big of a deal.
I mean, it's pretty nice. We may get those.
Right-hand drive TJ.
Ooh, that's pretty cool. Coming across another TJ here. Grill's jacked up. We already got a grill. So, no good parts there for us. So we're gonna pass on this one.
Still got some good tailgates and whatnot somebody needs.
Yep. Got a tailgate.
Right here's
Power
another
carrier.
TJ.
Wow, he's loaded up on TJs.
He got the front bumper, but it's damaged. I was looking to it.
Oh, nice.
It looked pretty good, but it's damaged.
Yeah, we're just gonna get a new one. He's doing his thing. In great condition. About to load it up onto the truck. Alrighty guys, so we got the frame loaded up, and we're gonna go inside and pay for it, and then we're gonna be good to go. We got her strapped up, and we're just going right up the street, so I just threw one strap on. Alrighty guys, we made it back here. So this is what we picked up. We got corner guards, no dings in them. All they need to be done is just repainted. So they're solid, pretty thick steel here. We also got this poison spider. This goes right under the rear trunk lid. So that looks pretty cool. We're gonna repaint that possibly the same color as the Jeep. We got a new grill here, it's OEM. That's a little bit rusty around the edges, but we are gonna restore it. As you can see there, that ain't nothing though. These are pretty expensive. And we also got a very good condition frame here, as you can see.
Oh yeah, off of 06 TJ Rubicon.
06.
We found the one with the most minimum rust, so this is just, it's really clean. There's really no rust except for this dirt and mud. Yeah, it's really nice. And
we are going to be repainting it completely though. We got a good deal on all this stuff. We'll be doing the price reveal towards one of the later videos. So
towards the end.
Towards the end, yeah.
Just
I don't
like
know.
we always do.
Yeah, as usual. So we're going to start with pressure washing this frame and everything else on here, and we're also going to degrease it, try to get all that mud and grime off of it. Alrighty guys, we got it pressure washed, all cleaned up, degreased, so it's looking a whole bunch better now. So we are going to touch up all these rust spots. We're going to paint the whole frame and throw a couple coats on it to keep it from rusting and kind of just make it look brand new. As you can see, we got the frame just over here, and we're about to pull the Jeep over here also right next to it. Change your plans here. We're going to use the Jeep to pull it because it had a little malfunction with the forklift.
We're good.
Alrighty guys, so this is where we're going to park it. This is where we're going to work on it. we got the frame right there. We're gonna lift it up on some jack stands or something like that. We're gonna figure something out. But we're gonna start by removing these panels. We're gonna remove the hood, this front end here, the grill, and then probably gonna start removing the tub, or probably the axles. Which is first, the axle or the tub?
Axle.
So we're gonna remove the axles and throw them on this frame. But first we do gotta paint this frame, so we got plenty of project work here, but it's gonna be really fun, so stay tuned, guys.